In Chinese calligraphy, brushes, ink and rice paper are normally used for writing. In this video, I'm going to show you how to write on rice paper and ordinary paper, or card, using brush and pen respectively. Today, we are going to write 生日快乐, which means happy birthday. Traditional Chinese writing is from top to bottom and from right to left. The two characters on the right side, 生日, means birthday, and the two characters on the left side, 快乐, means happy. Now I will show you how to write on paper or cards in the modern way, from left to right, the same as English writing.